Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been waiting for fresh UDP configs that actually work, today is your lucky day. The UDP Custom website just rolled out a brand new server, along with updated configuration files. And in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to download them and get your fast, secure browsing up and running in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser on your phone or computer. Once it is open, tap on the search bar at the top and type in UDP Custom, then hit enter to pull up the search results. Now, when the results appear, you are going to see a few different websites listed. It is important that you look carefully and tap on the official website link, since that is the one that will take you to the real UDP Custom homepage with all the genuine working files. Once you land on the homepage, take a look at the menu at the top of the page. Tap on it and you will see a drop-down with several options related to UDP. Things like the UDP server section, UDP custom configs, and UDP request configs. For today's tutorial, we are focused specifically on getting the UDP custom configs, so let's go ahead and select that option. After tapping on UDP custom configs, you will see a download button. Go ahead and tap it, and the file will begin downloading. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your connection. Once the download finishes, head back to your phone's home screen, because that is where the next part of the process happens. From your home screen, open up the Play Store and search for an app called UDP Custom VPN. Download and install it. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch the app, and you will land right on its home screen. Now here is where we bring everything together. On the UDP Custom home screen, look for the plus icon near the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will bring up an option to open a config file. Tap on that, and it will take you into your phone's file system. Navigate to the folder where you saved the UDP custom config you downloaded earlier and tap on it to import it into the app. Once the config has been successfully imported, all that is left to do is tap the connect button. And just like that, your VPN is active and you are ready to enjoy fast, secure, and unrestricted browsing. And that pretty much wraps up today's tutorial. If you would rather build your own custom UDP config from scratch using your own UDP custom server, I have a dedicated video for that linked right here on screen and down in the description, so be sure to check that out next. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and smash that like button. Drop a comment letting me know which server worked best for you, and if you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update when new configs or tools drop. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.